Welcome everyone. So these next 3 videos will be about repairs. So this one will be, I'll just go through the repair kits we have. Next week I'll go with the customer forms, we make them fill out and expectations, and then the third one we'll do a repair with the Glass World kit. So first I'll go through the repair kits we have and the ones we use and don't use as commonly. So first one, I've put all of these in boxes. None of these are original packaging. This is the Delta kits. Now these, the guys in the States love this kit. It's cheap. It's like for 2 bridges, drill, light, resin, everything. I think it's like $1,000 landed here in Australia. So it's pretty cheap bit of gear. I don't like this kit, but others do. So pretty similar bridges to everything you've normally seen. It's got these big metal plungers here. I hardly use these kits, everything. So plunger goes in, this on the screen, obviously, plunger in, and then this one's not gonna do it for me. Let me see if this one's gonna do it. Let me put that down for a sec. See how it opens up and closes? So you inject that, you put that into the thing, screw it down, that's your pressure. Boom, boom, boom. And then you pull it out, that's your vacuum cycle. And then you drop it back down, and that's your injection cycle. I've never liked it. I guess it's a bit of personal choice, but that's me. So that's the Delta kit. They do have a really good light with this kit though. Sit there, it's a big bit of gear, UV light. Yeah, that's really good. Comes with a fair bit of stuff, blades, drill. Yeah, good kit, good cheap kit, good entry kit. I'd prefer it over the Esprit kit. So if you're looking at a cheap kit that is okay, this would be the one. Alrighty, next, give me one. Okay, the next kit we'll go into is the least used one. It's on the bin because it is. This is Equalizer Terminator. Now this is a fully automatic kit. So full automatic bit of gear. This is the compressor, I guess you'd say. This is the bridge. This is really well built. Like, it's an equalizer tool, so as always, they all are really well built. It's got this is your injector, filthy O-ring on it. The way this one works, you've got this here cord, you plug your cord in like you would. You prep your repair like normal, drill it, pick it, whatever you do. Inject your resin in through this little bit here. Like, we hardly ever use, I'll use this on bullseyes and that's about it. It's got a couple settings. I don't know if you can see the screen. So it's got like a 12-minute cycle, an 8-minute cycle, and then an express cycle. Normally when I use it, I'll use a 12-minute cycle, then an express on the end. It's an expensive bit of gear. I think it was close to $2,000. If you're in the market for an automatic kit, I probably wouldn't recommend this one. I haven't used any other kit, but yeah, I don't think I'd be recommending this one to anyone. The only good thing about it is the build quality is awesome, because it's an equalizer. They make good tools 90% of the time. The quality of them's awesome. You get everything, like you get spare bridges, you get the Rockstar, which is like their crack separator, resins, chargers. Yeah, everything comes in it, but yeah, for a fully automatic kit, does the job, but I hate fully automatic kits, so that's that one. Now this is our main kit. We use this one every day. So we've got the Dremel drill, the big dog. I did have the Dremel micro. I preferred that, but yeah, we had to replace it with that one. Now this is just the top. These are the resins we've currently got in circulation. We've got a Glass World Amber, got a Glass World 2010 Clear, which is like a thin velocity. got the all-weather Glassworld grey resin, all Glassworld stuff, G10 clear, which is thin velocity, pit polish, pit filler, the miler strips on the top. Now if we go top drawer, this is main Glassworld kit, so you've got a Provac Glassworld injectors. So these ones where you prep your repair like normal. Let me get that to a clear bit of the bench. You fill your resin in this directly. So you wind that out, you wind it all the way in, half turn out, inject your resin in. You put a little, where'd they go? Put a little grommet in the top, boom, bang, put your resin out, dump that straight down onto the chip, like that, like so it's touching. Is it gonna stay? Probably not. Yeah, you dump that right on, and then that's your vacuum cycle all the way out. It's your pressure cycle all the way in. You can go as much as you want, half turns in, out. I like the screw. The quality of this thing is unreal. I've never done better repairs than with this kit. Ask any of the guys that win these stupid competitions in the States. The last like 5 winners have all used this Glassworld kit. It is the best bit of gear on the market. The other thing it has, it cures under pressure with this smart light. So once your repair's on, you have it under pressure, chuck the light over the top. That's a UV light. Bang, cure under pressure, take it off, do your pit fill, hit the light again, and you're good. So that's our main. We run 2 of those bridges. Yeah. Then keep texters. Always have a texter for when I do repairs. I'll show you that in another video. We've got a probe with the sort of spring-loaded probe, lighter. And what's in this drill? This one, we've got the Esprit kit. Everyone knows the Esprit kit. We use it with the metal plunger. When I say we use it, honestly never gets used, but we've got it in case we need it. 6th bridge or whatever. We've got it. It's got the metal plunger. Metal one I find better than the plastic. You all know how that one works. We've got another Glassworld light. This one is a corded one, where the other one's fully cordless. We've got a corded one if that one dies and we haven't charged it. Mirror, temperature gun, very important part for doing repairs. More on that when we do a repair. And then we've got the GT Tools Dark Cure light. That's probably, I don't really like GT Tools, but that is easily their best tool. This is the best, like it's a cheap repair light. It is fucking unreal. It's the best one by far. Last drawer in this is just knickknacks UV shield. So if you're doing repairs outside, that goes over the Provac, same as the light does. It's the UV shield for it. I've got a spare drill. I've got, spare plungers for the Provac, spare drill bits, plungers, chargers, syringes, just knickknacks in there really. The rest of this, gloves, air fresheners when we're done the cars, razor blades, ruler, just so I can measure stuff. Yeah, pretty basic. So that's, the 3 repair kits what's that? 1, 2, 3, sort of 4 repair kits we use on a daily, semi-daily basis. Got any questions about them, give me a call. Happy to help anyone out. But next week, as I said, we'll go through like how we do our customer interaction, the forms we make them fill out, and then the following week we'll go through like the repair process with the Glassworld one. I won't do the Delta kit unless anyone really wants to see it.